when I was growing up, if I had opportunity to see this, then probably I would have done better than what I'm doing, or I would have done better earlier, because pictures, they say, says 1,000 words. So seeing things like this is very inspiring. It's also very educative.
This year we are excited. Last year was fantastic, but this year we've gone to up our game. One of the new things we've introduced is a Tech Career Corner. That I'm really excited about. It's a corner where the children can go and speak to a lot of tech professionals from different companies. So we have a number of the top tech companies, and then children can have conversations with them about their careers in tech. So we're very excited about that. This year as well, we introduced a STEAM competition. So we had hundreds of applications for the competition, and today we're presenting the 6 finalists who will pitch to a panel of judges. So all these things we're doing just to create and empower the children for the future. We know what the future requires, and we are very determined to ensure that children have the skills to succeed, to disrupt and lead the Nigeria and the global world of the future. That's really what STEAM Fun Fest is all about.
Well, actually, it's been overwhelming, it's been joyous, it's been inspirational also to see the level of interest that our parents and our children have in the world of science, technology, engineering and math. And that's the whole reason that we came up with this festival, that let's expose Nigerian children to the different things that come under that umbrella of science, technology, engineering and math, and to also prepare them for the future. We're very passionate about our children in Nigeria. We know people are jackpotting up and down. We're passionate about skills development, and we're passionate about preparing them for the future.
Forums like this will expose both parents and children to change the way they think, to change the way they talk, to change the way they communicate, and to change some unconscious biases. So for me, I think it is very important that STEM programs like this are rolled out into the old education curriculum.
You problem solve, you look at what you did well and what you didn't, and how can you improve. So in essence, the skills that we're trying to teach our children, we ourselves have applied it to the experience from last year. So that made us think of innovative ways that our children can learn and interact. So we have our STEM labs. Last year we only had 1. This year we have 8. We have a section, that we're able to get more space this year. Our master classes and our STEAM competition as well. We just added that in there. And even before this event, we had online webinars with speakers from all over the world, exposing them to different things. So there's been a lot of changes compared to what we had last year as well.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.